Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see Instagram private account posts without following them. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and tap on your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right icon. And here go to any profile that is private. Suppose this one. So as you can see, this account is private, but they have 4 posts that they have posted. So how we can see the post without following them? There is a way that if you already know a specific place that they have visited recently or they have visited long ago sometime, but you know that place and they have tagged that place, you can just go to the search section right here. You can search for that place. Like I'm searching for this address. Like let's search for any different address like New York. So go to these places and search for any specific address. I'm searching for this one. And as you can see, there are some posts that of public or private account, as they have posted it and tagged this specific place. So whether the account is private or public, it's seen in here by this tag, location tag. So yeah, this is how you can find uh, your searched person's posts too. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.